Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. I'm Steph of Steph's Decor. I make and sell unique one-of-a-kind wreaths, and I love to help you create your own designer wreaths from scratch. Please smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell to be notified of new videos. I upload tutorials every week. Let's get started on today's project. This is part 1 in this DIY 4th of July wreath series. Today's project I'm showing you a basic ruffle technique using a foil striped Deco mesh, perfect for any patriotic holiday. Stay tuned to the end and I will show you how easy it is to make a large bow. This mesh is a poly jute material and it's very stiff to work with. It measures 10 inches across and is 10 yards long total. 2 rolls is what we're going to use today, and we'll end up using all of it. I highly recommend a quality Deco mesh. Most craft stores sell mesh, but often they are much thinner, and so your wreath doesn't turn out as full. I've linked down below all the materials used in this video for your convenience. I'm using a pencil work wreath form in the 15 to 24 inch size. Again, I've linked this one down below for you. Using our cutting mat and rotary cutter or scissors, cut your strips of mesh 20 inches long and keep going until you've cut up both rolls completely. You should end up with 36 20-inch long strips. For the ruffle technique, you're just going to take your 20-inch long strip and just gather it together just like this. And you're going to hold it in one hand while you grab your other strip of mesh, and you're going to do the same thing with that one. Just bunch it up in the middle, attach the two together, and then just put them right into one of your twist ties on the wreath. If you find it difficult to hold both ruffles at the same time, you can go ahead and just do one at a time, give it a light twist, and then add the second one right on top of that. The other way that you can add a ruffle is to lay it down flat and then using your fingers kind of walk it until you've formed the ruffle right in the middle, pinch it, and then put it right into the twist tie. And you definitely will want to do one at a time if you do it this way because you kind of need both hands. Now for the bow. We are using 4 different types of ribbon. I've linked each of them below, and this is a really easy technique and just takes a little bit of practice to master. I'm going to start with my first ribbon and measure 10 inches for the tail. I'm pinching it and then measuring out another 12 inches to make my loop width. After I make the first loop, I measure out another 12 inches for the second loop. And making sure that the right side is facing up, I go ahead and make my other loop. So you can see both sides have the pattern on it. And then I measure out the second 10-inch tail. I'm going to repeat this process with each ribbon, all while holding the bow in one hand. And I just keep adding to it until I have the amount of loops I want. In this example, with 4 ribbons, it makes 8 loops, and I think that looks great. It makes a really large bow, but sometimes I'll bring in a 5th ribbon to make 10 loops. As you're going along and making your loops, you can kind of measure up the loops together and make sure they're the same size. I really enjoy having my loops the same size. You could change them up and have different size loops, but I kind of like to have them all the same size. So your tails also can vary. If you want some longer, you can leave some of them longer. In this example, I am just cutting them all the same size. I have all of my loops in place and everything is cut. So now I'm going to take a chenille stem or pipe cleaner, whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to put that right around where I've been pinching it in the middle. And so you should have 4 loops on one side of the chenille stem and 4 loops on the other side. And same with the tails, you should have 4 on each side. And then if you hold the chenille stem in place and then twist the ribbon, it makes it really easy to just tighten that up. And so you're just going to give it a few twists, and then you've got the chenille stems that you can attach it to the wreath with. Take a minute and fluff the bow, kind of put the loops into place where you want them, and you can maneuver them a little bit easier at this point, and then it's ready to attach. Take a minute and dovetail the ends of your ribbon, the ribbon tails. And to do that, you're going to fold it in the middle, and then you're going to cut it from the crease out to the outer edge, and that just leaves you with a nice finished look there. Thanks for joining me for this Deco Mesh wreath project. You really could just leave this just like it is for a darling front door wreath. But to get that designer wreath look, join me in part 2 as we add more ribbon, and I will show you how to attach your own sign. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of my next video. See you next time.